Hello friends, my name is Adyan. Today I am going to teach you how to make a very cool thing. I can't say you the name right now. I know the name but I can't say it. You do you love Spider-Man? If you love Spider-Man, then do you also want to be like him? So today I am going to teach you to make his web shooter. Very simple it is. But it is of your model. I'll teach you how I have made my own model of web shooter. So this is the new model what I have made. So my first I have for you all. I have learned it very nicely. See. Wait. Now I'll show. See, it's like this. See, you saw the web? Did you saw the web? Again I'll show. I got very fun. You saw the web now? So now I'll teach you. So, but subscribe it, please. So, first you will need, like, you thought that was a web, no? It was not a web. I'll say you. Wait, let me take out this. Very. It's a white thread. It's a white thread. It's a white thread. So first of all, I will do step by step. So first take the white thread. Okay. I'm taking out for you all these. So this thread is there. Take a pen cap. Not a down part pen cap, and put it inside this. Now take this sticking thing. Just stick this thread here inside. It should not come out. It should be very hard. It should never come out. See, now you have to try it if it comes out or what. See, then you can take a big cotton also. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute, friends. So you will need a spring, and now put it in this cap. Now put it upside down. See, it came out. Now I'll say you the way. Take any paint brush like this type. This corner should be sharp, and this should happen that this should go inside this. Okay. Now I'll say you how it will not go. See, we have to make a hole here and then put this here. Now put this spring this part to here, and then press it. Now make it upside down. See, it's still inside. Now I'll take out everything for you all. Wait a minute, friends. It's very hard to take out this double-sided tape. Double-sided tape, that is called. Now you will need a cardboard. You know how I made this? When you will open this, no, the cardboard, you will not get like this, but I'll show you how I did it. See, you will see some plain part, no? If you will just go to this corner side, and when you will peel and put your nail and peel it, then you will get like this. And then you have to open it, you will get like this. So, by the way, let's start. First, for your hand size, first you have to keep your hand here and then roll it. You have to roll it in your hand size. Just like a watch. It should be very tight. How you just roll it. And then I'll say you how you have to make it tight. Now you are done rolling it. So take a pencil and make a cross here. Make a cross. Not here. Turn it in your this side. No. This side. Plain side. Then how you will do like the Spider-Man like this. So, and then make a cross over there, and then I'll make the cross and then I'll show. So I have made the cross, but you can't see it. So now open it. Okay. Then turn it, and then wherever the cross is there, put the double-sided tape over there. I have put the cross here. Now again keep your hand and then roll it. And roll. Turn it. Yeah, you should roll it. Roll very nicely. I'll roll it and then so now I have rolled it. Now I have to say you one more thing. That have you this thing? I taught you how to make this, no? Now this is there, no? Oh, again it opened. You have to be careful by this. That's why I will teach you one thing at the last. See, now stick this with the double-sided tape. But your hand should also reach like this. But in real you have to put this under it. I'll put it under it and then I'll show you. But if you will not keep under it, it will come. See, I have put it under it. Put it very nicely, it should not come out. See, done? My hand is fitting till this side only, that's why I did like this. Now, we have to do now one more thing. Now, again you have to roll it. I'll roll it and then I'll roll it. Now, under this we have to put the thread, but before that we are having some problem, no? So this side is there, again open it and then hold this side but. See, then here you have hold it still. Now take this double-sided tape and put it here. And take one more double-sided tape and put it near to this or under this. Yeah, you have to keep it under it only. I'll put it and then I have already put it, then no need. Now one more part we have to do. Oh yes, sorry, wait a minute, I took out. Now again I have tried it. Now this part, now this is there. We made it now. We have already made this. Now take this thread and stick it in this double-sided tape. You want, you can make it as a science project. Take this thread and stick it here. It should not fall down. See, it's hanging, means it has sticked very nicely. Now it's just ready. Now you have to again put your hand at this side. Oh no, I have did at the wrong. You have to not stick it at the right side, you have to stick it at the left side. Then you will not be comfortable. Now I'll say you what is the use of this. You have to not stick anything over there, but then just roll now. Oh no, I'll roll it and then I'll show you because it'll take so much. Friends, if you are confused, then again I'll show. I think you're not confused. Let it be. See, now I'm wearing it, but wait a minute, I'll turn it and then you have to wear it now, very easy, because now it's ready, and then I'll tell you how to shoot. It should happen very tightly. See, wear it like this. And then done. Now I'll say you how you have to shoot it. So now you have put the spring here. Now put this part till this inside the spring. Put your finger in this corner. Press it very hardly, and then leave it. Again I'll show you. Put this inside. Press it and press it. Then leave it. I think you didn't saw it. Let me see. I'll see. Now I'll see. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I hold it mistakenly. Should not hold it, okay? You have to, when you are shooting, you have to put your hand down. See this? See? You saw? So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it and give a like. Until that time, thank you.